In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image placeholder in Google Slides, whether you're creating presentations for school, work, or a special project. Learning how to use this feature can make your slides much more functional and visually appealing. So let's dive in and explore how you can enhance your Google Slides presentation with image placeholders. To begin, open Google Slides on your computer. Once you're in, open the presentation you're working on or start a new one. Once inside your desired presentation, make sure you're on the slide where you want to add the image placeholder. Moving to the next step, navigate your cursor to the toolbar at the top of your screen. Here, you'll see a variety of options to customize your slide. Click on the Insert menu option. This is where you can add different elements to your slides, such as text boxes, shapes, lines, and more. But for today, our focus will be on inserting an image placeholder. After clicking on Insert, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, look for the option that reads Image and hover over it. You'll see several options for sourcing images such as upload from computer, search the web, or even insert from Google Drive. However, since we are only inserting a placeholder today, evenly scroll through the options until you find Placeholder. This is the option you will choose to set up a space on your slide specifically for images. Once you have selected Placeholder, you will now draw the placeholder on your slide. Click and drag your mouse on the slide to create a box. This box is your placeholder and will define where and how the image appears. Don't worry if it isn't perfect at first. You can always adjust its size and position afterwards by clicking and dragging the corners or edges of the box. It's important to ensure the placeholder is suitably large for the intended image, yet proportionally balanced with the rest of your slide content. This attention to the layout will keep your slide looking polished and professional. Now that you have your placeholder set, you can proceed to add an image later when you have one ready. To replace the placeholder with an actual image, you'll simply click on the placeholder box and insert the image of your preference. It's as simple as a few clicks and really allows you flexibility in how you structure your visual content. There you have it. You've successfully learned how to add an image placeholder in Google Slides. By using this feature, you can design your presentations with more foresight and add visuals in only when you're ready. Thank you for joining me today, and happy presenting.